Alright, quick update while I've got some battery. So, that wall that was here, dividing, I guess, the sitting room from the fireplace, is now gone. It was not structural. That's structural. So, that's going to have to be replaced at some point because you can see the danger zone crack right there. That's okay. That's easily done. I-beam, jacket, or even another beam. Jack it up. One next to there. Pop it in. Ease it down. Remove that one. Pop another one in on the other side. Easy peasy. However, they had that in there impressively well. Plus, I think everything's settled quite a bit. But they had these buggers holding it in there. That's a good sixer. It's crazy. But they were tongue and groove, which is nice. And a few of them are salvageable. Cut a couple of chunks. I'm going to use those to make some block-off plates for those two windows. There might be a third one down here as well. That's not really window shaped, is it? So, what to do there? I'll figure it out. Anybody want any spiders? I got a couple. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, wait. You know what? You're coming down next. Holy spider zone. I suspect you're anchored into the beam. Both beams, yep. Because there's your lower support. You got nothing on this side. Just don't knock your tool wall down.